Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ChargePoint API integration for custom reporting, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring the ChargePoint API integration for custom reporting, ensure you have the necessary API access credentials. Start by logging into your ChargePoint account and navigating to the API settings. Locate the API key section and generate a new API key if you haven't done so already. Copy your API key and store it securely, as you will need it later. Next, choose your preferred programming language or tool for making API requests. For this demonstration, we'll use Python, but you can adapt these steps to any environment you prefer. Install the required libraries for making HTTP requests, such as requests for Python. Open a new script file and import the necessary libraries. Set up your API endpoint URL, which is typically found in the ChargePoint API documentation. Create a function to make a GET request to the API using your endpoint URL and API key. In this function, include headers to authorize your request with the API key. Test your connection by calling this function and printing the result. Examine the returned data to ensure it's formatted correctly according to your reporting needs. Next, decide on the specific data points you want to include in your custom reports. Create a new function to parse the relevant information from the API response. Design this function to extract only the required fields that align with your reporting goals. Once you have your data structured, consider how you want to save or display it. You might choose to output your data to a CSV file for easy access and analysis. If so, use Python's CSV library to write the extracted data into a new CSV file. In your script, implement error handling to catch potential issues with API requests. Ensure that your script can gracefully handle connection issues or unauthorized access errors. Finally, run your script in your development environment to confirm everything works as intended. Review the output file to verify that your custom report includes all necessary data and is free of errors. If adjustments are needed, return to your script and fine-tune the data extraction and reporting process. Congratulations, you have successfully configured ChargePoint API integration for custom reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.